You've heard the Dogecoin, the father of meme coins. But have you met his father, Hyperactive Son? Launched in June 2021, Baby Dogecoin isn't just some cute mascot. It's a community-driven project built on BNB chain with a serious mission. But it's more than just a meme. The ecosystem has expanded massively. They've launched Baby Doge Swap, their own decentralized exchange, an AI-powered image generator for NFTs, and even crypto payment cards. They are proving that a meme can actually have functional, everyday tech behind it. The mission, the heart of the project. Though it's though good mission. Baby Doge is dedicated to saving dogs in need. They've already donated over $1.5 million to animal shelters and even hold a title